Hey guys, so today I am going to be DIYing some furniture. For a super long time, I pretty much have just wanted marble everything, but of course marble is super expensive, even like really cheap, like not real marble, but looks like marble is still really expensive, especially for furniture. So I decided to take matters into my own hands and just DIY it. This is definitely not a new technique, but I already did a piece in my vanity room, and when I Snapchatted it, I got so many replies asking me to make a video, so I thought that I would. I have already done my vanity room table, and I will show you guys what that looks like now. Excuse the mess, but this is the vanity table that I have and put the marble on. And I really love how it turned out. I feel like it just gives a whole new vibe and it looks a lot more sleek and just really put together. I decided I really needed to go in for a change because my table was getting really dirty and kind of scruffed. I have mostly IKEA furniture, and I feel like IKEA furniture, since they don't do like the glossy tops anymore, they get dirty so quickly when the tops are matte. Especially when you accidentally get makeup on it, which I do all the time. So I have 3 different pieces of furniture that I will be doing, and I will take you guys along with me while I do that. Pretty much the only thing that I specifically am going to be using is this contact paper that I got from Amazon. I will leave the link to it below. Each of these were around, I believe, $15, and they come in, I think, about 2 feet by 6.5 feet, which if you have one of those really long IKEA tables, I feel like the dimensions of it are pretty much made for that, because one of these takes up one of those almost perfectly, you know, give a little bit of extra, you know, for mistakes, but pretty much that's what it's made to fit. So if you know IKEA furniture, you know exactly how big this is. So yeah, what I'm using will be linked below, and enough babbling, let's just get started. Okay, so as you can see, we're at my boyfriend's desk, and I'm going to be doing the desk as well as these sort of cabinet things that I'm going to put on my TV stand. As you can see, the length for these pretty much fits IKEA so we are going to basically roll it this way, and then I'll cut it off here and then roll it again. The number one thing with this is to pretty much have it clean, so make sure you wipe it down really well beforehand, otherwise you're going to end up with a lot of bumps and lumps and stuff like that. I just took these out of the package, and yet they are already covered in dog hair. And then anytime you get these sort of contact paper thingies, chances are they are cut by an actual person. So if you can see on mine, it is like going diagonal a little bit. So I'm going to want to start it off a little bit over. That way it goes evenly. But I would pretty much recommend just starting at one single corner. So anyway, after you had your boyfriend help you a little bit, it is a lot easier to have someone else help you because you kind of need 4 hands. So yeah, going to grab a card or something like that, and you're going to basically just start pushing the roll one direction and simultaneously at the same time making sure that there are no air bubbles. I just push the roll along as I go, and I find that makes it really easy. That way the second that the paper on the back is coming off, it is getting unfolded. You know what I mean. Okay, and then I'm pretty much almost done with this one. I'm like right at the edge with it. Okay, and then we're at the edge of this, so it's pretty much done. So now I'm going to basically just take an X-Acto knife and go with the edge. And then since I'm not wrapping the edges, I'm just going to go along and just cut any little excess off. I'm letting this side wrap because this is going to be facing inwards. And now we have one nice marble cabinet for my TV stand. Now we do the other one. I am a tiny bit disappointed in the contact paper that I'm using right now. I got a different brand for my vanity table, and when I was ordering it, this one was like $8 cheaper, but since I got 3, that was like sort of enough that I was like, oh, I'll go with the cheaper one, and now I'm realizing that I shouldn't. This one is actually sort of thin, and the one that's on my vanity table right now is pretty thick, and it's definitely better quality. So I'm going to leave the link to that one instead of this one, because that one is just way better quality. It's not like a deal breaker right now for me to stop doing this, but if I definitely could go back, I would just get the more expensive one. Also, don't even worry about the cards that I'm using right now. They either have like nothing on them or like $5, and if you can get the $5 off of them, then take it, it's yours. You're welcome. So with this one, we're getting a lot of air bubbles, so now we're just taking like the itty bitty tip of the X-Acto knife and just like poking it a tiny bit. And smoothing it out, and it's working actually really, really well. So here's this one. Next, we are going to do this desk. Okay, so now we're going to do our TV stand, so we're just wiping that off.
So I'm wiping it off.
So David's wiping it off. Okay, and then my boyfriend is going to put these on to here now. I thought it looked really ugly that you can see like all of like the router and all of this stuff. So yeah, before and after for the TV stand. I have knobs to put on it, but I don't know if I want to yet. Do you think I should?
No.
No. And here is the end result on my dresser. I think it looks pretty good if I do say so myself. And then here is how my boyfriend's desk turned out. I think it looks pretty good. Zoe Cam. Appa Cam. Persephone Cam. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a like if you like these DIY furniture. I know I've done a little bit of this stuff in the past and some of you really liked it, but I have gotten a good amount of subscribers since I did some of my last like furniture related videos. So let me know if you guys want me to do more. I just got 2 nightstands and I really want to mirror them, so I want them to be like one of those really expensive pieces of furniture that you see at like Pier 1 that are like $500 for a nightstand. Anyway, I want to DIY those and I would love to make a video about it if you guys want a video about it, but that is my plan for my next one and I would like to do that one relatively soon. So please let me know if you want that, because I'm having a lot of fun getting my house finally after a year. I've lived here looking actually really nice and caring about like the furniture a bit more and all this kind of stuff. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like these like DIY or furniture related videos, please give this video a like, and I will hopefully see you in the next one. Bye.